Okay, so right now we are going to clean the hard water stains on the shower door. You know how hard it is to clean hard water stains. And this is a hard water stain remover. So here's a close-up of the bottle. It's a hard water stain remover, and it cleans and seals in one process, and it protects up to 3 months. How awesome is that? And it also is great on a variety of different things, from aquariums, shower doors, granite, brass, aluminum, stone, water fountains, barbecue grills, tombstones, stovetops, and so much more. This is just amazing. I'm not going to go through all of it, but it removes water and mineral stains, lime scale, calcium, soap scum, and just a variety of different things. And it's also just so easy to use. So the directions are: remove dirt and debris from surface prior to applying product. Apply to surface with dry or damp cloth. Press firmly, covering stain with a rubbing action. Then rinse with water until residue free. Repeat until surface is clean and sparkling. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so now I want to show you the difference. Come inside with me. Okay, so this is going to be the before, and after I'm done, you're going to see the sparkling after, and you will be convinced that this works amazingly. Okay, let's start. So now all you do is you get a rag and you squeeze it on just like that, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and then we're going to rub in a circular motion, and wow, this stuff smells amazing too, by the way. Okay, so come join me. You are going to be so impressed. Okay, so look at my face now, and you already start feeling it working. You just feel the hard water underneath getting scrubbed right off from under your fingers. It is amazing. Wow. And I haven't even rinsed it off yet, but can you guys see me now? Pretty nice, right? Okay, so this obviously was a top part, and and I haven't even rinsed it, like I said. So this top part, look how smooth that is. Of course, the top part is going to be less hard than the middle and the bottom. So let's put this to the test. Let's squeeze it out again. And now let's put it in the middle and the bottom. And all you're doing is rubbing it in a circular motion, and you just feel the hard calcium water spot slowly getting buffed away. That's the only way I can describe it. And it just works amazingly. Now, I'm doing this just in the middle because I still want you to see the difference on both sides of how awesome this is working, because that way you will see the actual difference. Bam! Pretty nice, right? Truly impressive. And we haven't even rinsed it. And this is just the first coat we're doing. You can even do this multiple times until you get your desired result. Now, I'm going to go a little bit further down so we get it even closer down. It's just amazing how fast it just starts breaking up that calcium buildup and lime scale. And you also get a good workout at the same time. It's like a 2-in-1. Okay, and this is just the first coat. Okay, so here I am. Isn't it cleaner? And then look at me now. Do you see the difference? Super big difference. Look at me here. And then look at me here. I am truly amazed of how good this works. Definitely recommend this. This is the hard water stain remover, and it really does its job. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video helpful.